yeah. clinical and surgical care to all its students. Dr. Kara, a member of Post 46 of the National Institute for Policy and Strategic Studies, received the Head of Civil Service of the Federation Commendation Award in 2019. He served as Director of Special Duties in the Federal Ministry of Special Duties and Intergovernmental Affairs, and also served as Secretary of the 2024 National Honors Award Committee. He was Director, Special Assistant to the Armed chairman be appointed as permanent secretary to represent the state federation and 3 geopolitical zones where they can
I didn't go close to him. It was eating. Don't confuse them. I call it for interview. You don't understand. It's calling. Yeah. Maybe he has his recorder. I can't interview.